Hello Candy Poppers, welcome to Candypop Quiz. Today's challenge is Find the Odd One Out, Sea Edition. From sneaky dolphins to tricky turtles, one sea creature doesn't belong. Can your sharp eyes spot it before the timer runs out? There are total 20 questions and you have got 10 seconds each. Score 1 point each for correct answer. Now let's dive in. And please do subscribe Candypop Quiz for more entertaining quizzes. Round 1. Look carefully. One seahorse is different from the rest. Time's up. Did you see it? Here it is. The one with missing fin. Round 2. Find the odd one in this set of dolphins. There it is. It's a shark. Round 3. Spot the octopus that is different from the rest. Here it is, the one with the different structure. Round 4. Which turtle does not belong in this group? Spotted it? Here it is. Round 5. Can you find the odd shark before time runs out? The odd one was the shark with closed mouth. Round 6. Can you spot the odd one in this image? Time's up! Did you catch it? The odd one wasn't from the sea at all. It was this little honeybee buzzing among the sea creatures. Round 7. These fish all look the same. But wait, one sneaky fish doesn't belong. Which one is it? Well done if you saw it. This fish has different shape than the rest. Round 8. Most of these crabs are identical, but one has a tiny difference. Can you find the odd one out before the timer ends? Did you spot it? All the crabs have the same eyes, except this cheeky one. Round 9. Find the odd stingray before timer runs out. Time's up! The odd one was this stingray with a different pattern. Round 10. Something's fishy here. One of these is not like the others. Can you catch it? Here it is. This fish is different than the rest. Round 11. Can you guess the sea animal by just looking at these emojis? Yes, you guessed it right. It's a clownfish. Round 12. Only sharp eyes can crack this one. One coral doesn't match the others. Can you catch it in time? Spotted it? This coral was paler, the only bleached looking one in the grid. Round 13. Can you find the odd walrus in this group? Time's up! The odd one was this walrus. It's missing a flipper. Round 14. These penguins all look alike, but one has a secret difference. Which one is it? Did you spot it? This sneaky penguin was a little different from the rest. Round 15. Something's fishy in this crustacean crowd. One lobster is different. Can you spot it? And the odd one is this lobster. Can you see what's different? Round 16. Can you guess this shadow? Correct answer is option 3. Round 17. Focus on their beaks and legs. One pelican doesn't belong here. Can you find it? Tricky round! The odd one was this pelican with a shorter beak pouch. Round 18. This is an easy one. Spot the odd seashell among the rest. Time's up! The odd one was this shell. It had a different shape. Next, round 19. Guess the sea animal by filling the missing letters. Time's up! Did you get it? The word hiding behind those blanks was lobster. Last round. Question 20. These little fishies all look alike, but one of them is being sneaky. Can your sharp eyes catch the odd fish? Time's up! And there it is. The only fish that looked different. Great job, Sea Explorers! How many odd ones did you spot? Comment your score below and challenge your friends too. And don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell for more Candypop quizzes. See you next time.